For example, in the last 40 years, we have seen the growth and expansion of technology, the internet, communication, and so on and so forth. And these things in turn have brought with them the spread and the proliferation of ilhad, atheism, and kufr, disbelief, and shirk, and misguidance, and ma'siyah, and fasad, that which is corruption, and the spread of things like singing and music and all of the other shahawat, all of the lusts and the desires, such that the ways in which you can sin, the ways in which you are able to sin, and the avenues towards those ways have multiplied in a way never ever known before in the whole of history. And this has reached every single part, every single corner of the earth. And so what we are seeing is the spread of corruption within societies and nations. And no doubt, as you know, that this thing which has enveloped every single nation, in which livelihoods are being destroyed, in which there is fear, there is khawf, al-aman is removed, safety is removed, there is khawf now appearing because of turmoil which is appearing in many nations. People are coming out on the streets, there is violence, and likewise people are fearful, people their rizq has been reduced or whatever it might be. All of this, there has to be some wisdom behind this, and clearly the spread and the proliferation of sin and disobedience, this no doubt is definitely a factor in this particular calamity.